Do it with Ice Spice. But you have to do it again when she's 95 years old. Be incredibly rich. But the first person you see when you click share and more will be broke for the rest of their life. Get millions of dollars, but your battery percent is how many millions you'll get. You'll gain the ability to travel back in time, but you'll never be able to return back to the future. You can restart your life from zero, but you can't remember your past life. You can read minds, but every person in the world is now predictable and boring for you.